Morning, yes. Good morning, Flag Pappy. Morning, y'all. Just me today, no Johnny. How we doing? Let's break these lows. Setting shit up. Look pretty. Like we chopped around for most of the most of pre-market here, or the overnight. God, I don't know why my trading view doesn't save my charts anymore. It's so annoying. VIX is coming back down to where it has been. Do you have autosave on? I did, or I don't know, it was fine for the longest time, but now it's not. I don't know what the fucking issue is. Market just calmed down a little bit? Yeah. I definitely agree. I don't know. I never changed anything. I don't know if autosave shut off. I don't know. I've hit the save button here on this before and nothing's happened. I have no idea. Feeling good about today. I'm gonna try to turn the last week around right here. Have something good happen. I didn't make any money yesterday, but I didn't lose any either, so. Hate some sort of short here. I'm gonna wait to see something, but did you pass your take profit trader accounts? No, I blew them on Friday on that loss because I trade them with double the size. So when I lost the past 2 days or whatever, or 3 days, whatever it was, I ended up blowing them. I can't make money on take profit trade. I'm a failure. definitely interested in shorts here. I don't know what everybody else is looking at, but
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'll try this here. Where do they get filled? 79.50s. Probably just shoot for these lows here at the 60s, if we can get down there. Nvidia looking good. ES not looking good. See if we can break this 75 level here. Right now. ES diving, Nvidia looking to break the lows here. Okay, that's my one retest kinda. See if we can flush the lows. We're looking good. Looking good.
Stop filled.
Okay. Okay with that. We're still falling. Break out of that zone. There's a textbook flag. I mean, I don't know if I trade anything textbook anymore, because that's the thing. I feel like I just try to use intuition more, because I feel like the more I get mechanical, the more I lose. So I just kind of. I mean, we had the push up. We had the push up, or bounce up the EMA. We we try to like push down. We make our like kind of like this is my flag. I mean, it's small, but it's like that's my flag. We pushed down, and then we pushed back up, and then we pushed down, and I was like, okay, break even. Damn. I followed your rule there, Flag Poppy. Even though I mean we didn't really get too low, but we went low. We came back for one, and then once we pushed away again, I went break even. Nice, GG. Thank you. Good job. How many points? 30? No, not 30. What is that? Like 20 ish? 20 points? Yeah, right around 2060. I'll have to really check later, but like 19 points. Oh, feels good to get a win though. I'm gonna stream over. No, I'm gonna try to. I was just about to say, I'm gonna try to keep my foot on the gas here. I mean, I allow myself to make $1,200, and I allow myself to lose $600 in a day. I should at least be okay, or try to make more money if I can. And if it's gonna be a day that we have nice setups, a nice trend, like a nice push down, if we just keep pushing down, I don't know if we're going to, but no, I'm gonna try to get another move. Decent though, I risk like 14.5 points. Yeah, should have held it myself, didn't trust it. Yeah, I mean, Nvidia looked good. Like at that point, Nvidia had already like pushed down. Like we were like here. What is that? 940. Like here at Nvidia, we had already pushed down a low, but ES was looking a little sketchier. But figured I'd give it the one. I was only risking 15 points, so. You got a new strategy, Raven? What is it? What you got? What have you been working on? How long have you been trading for, Raven? I forget. Oh, 2 years. Okay, I got you. I'll be my trading on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Why Wednesday too? What is the reason? Let's see. Can't believe it's only Tuesday already. Feels like I went through the whole. Why? Just because you've been busy like moving and shit? It just feels like a long week. Or you said you've already made enough money just in 2 days. That's even better. No reason. Anyways, good trade to you all that. Wait, you didn't even say what your strategy was. She goes, I'm having a new strategy. Oh, man. Does anybody have any idea when this government shutdown is going to get over? Are we getting close to something or no? Both? I don't know. Hey, that's good though. Enough money for the week on Tuesday. And moving, I don't know. Moving seems like a blessing right now. Yeah, I'm sure it does suck, but I'd be happy to be moving somewhere right now. What is your strategy, Tekkas? What do you do? Like a gist of. I feel like you started trading and then just immediately were profitable. So you do a mix of inverse for value gaps with some fib levels. Do you follow the trend or do you go against it usually? I feel like inverses you kind of have to be going against the trend, right? I want to get shorts here somewhere, but I'm waiting for something. Congrats on the W, Michael. Thank you, FFs. I fucking needed one. How you been doing lately? Any payouts? I like the idea of going against the trend, catching the bottom of big moves. So are you like a high RR guy? You don't risk that much and then you just hit like 3 or 4 R or something? Like, could you play this as a gap though, or no? And follow the trend? Like, okay. We trapped above this high here. You know, if we inverse this or something. Oh god, high volume. Spike. Friday, I got another 6K. Damn. I literally went from like. Here, congratulations, by the way, sorry. I went from getting the. We'll put me at 13K for the month. Damn, you're balling. Good shit. I'm like so inconsistent. I don't know why. I am either getting. Like I basically gotten all my payouts in like 2 months this year. I got it in like April, but because of like March trading, and then I got it in like end of July, beginning of August because of like end of June and August, or end of June and July trading. So it's like I've only had like 3 good months. And then like everything else is just like I feel like it's fucking all or nothing. I mean they're like fucking. I mean it makes sense because I'm copy trading all my accounts together, but I just feel like I have more months out of the year that I do bad than I do good. Depends on if there is targets below. I like to set targets, and sometimes they are the fib levels I see off the 15-minute opening range. Can you explain that to me more? So it's like. Off the 15-minute opening range. I mean, we just touched the 50% perfectly of it, but I don't know what that means too much. Thing is, I wanted to short that here. Even though it's not a textbook flag, it's like, okay, you have the push, this, and then we trap, and then we go. I think I gotta be, depending on the set, like, cause this, it's like, alright, I can tell that this is like the trap, kinda. So, okay, if we trap here, it doesn't have to look as pretty as like a real. Like I'll come down, put in a low, then go and go. Or sometimes we don't trap, but we'll go up and here and up and then go. Yeah, that failed push up was a good indicator for a little drop to those lows. A failed push up where? Here? Or here? Or here? Sorry, I'm retarded. Like, are both of you guys, both, okay. Tekkas and FFs, are you guys both, like, do you guys get payouts every single month, would you say? Like, say this year where, I mean, you don't have to count October because it's not all the way through right now. FFs already did. But like for the other 9 months so far, have you gotten to pay out at least one payout every month? September was 4K. Is that your lowest month though? So you're getting like at least 4K a month from January to now. And same thing with you, Tekkas. You got some in August, but it was lowest easily. Yes, August I only got like 1,500. But every other month you guys have gotten some sort of payouts. Huh. I've got my 20 Apex accounts, but building them up. Yeah, months I've been 10K plus, yeah. They're at 1,900. I got you. I finally made enough so I can take half of November and all of December off trading because fuck that. Honestly, that's kind of a good. I mean, I'm gonna trade it just because I'm a degenerate, but it is like the perfect time too. Like it's like alright, holidays, the weeks get so interrupted and like fucking slow because it feels like every week's like a half week. 'Cause it's like oh Thanksgiving, so then no trade Friday, Thursday no trade Thursday, Wednesday's a half day, so it's like why even come to the market? And then there's Christmas and whatever day that falls on, it's a whole fuck fest, and then New Year's is right after. Like I do think it's good to like call it quits fucking a month. That's a good part about trading. It's like you could just be like ah fuck this, I'm taking the next month and a half off until the new year. Like Tekkas, do you trade Apex or no? Just Top Step. Like, I didn't get any payouts in January. I didn't get any payouts in February. I didn't get any payouts in March. April, I got 11,000 plus. I got like 13,000 in April. Nothing in May. 4,300 in June. July I made like I don't know, maybe 15. August I made like 20. September, nothing. Where we're like 2 weeks to go in October and I have nothing yet. Like yeah, I think it'll be good for me mentally too, I get you. Yeah. Just my top steps trying to pass a couple of Apex accounts is most nice. Like I just gotta get more consistent. That's like, because even if you make $3,000 every month, or what? No, well, FF's was 4K. His was his lowest month. It's like, that means every other month he's gotten at least 4K, and we're 10 months in, so it's 40K. It's like, I don't know, just like I mean, I've made more than that. It's just like consistency seems a little bit better. Like the only reason I made a large amount of money is because I had a large amount of accounts. But I don't know. Like your lowest is 1,500 in August. Just seems nice to be like every month you're in a position to get a payout. Nvidia's spilling lower already. Nvidia already broke a low. Yes, looks like it's coming back to retest the 15-minute range, possibly. Do you guys have any plans for like any other income besides trading with all the free time, or no? Like, are you guys good on just trading for your only source of income forever? Got our wiki down here. Got Nvidia fucking pouring out still. Jeremy, think I just want to trade. I mean, it's funny that I called your last name again. Sorry. What's up, Ebe? But you also say that. Have you ever just traded full time, Jeremy, or no? Like, I know you're working right now, which sucks. So, like, you obviously gonna say that. And it's not like I want to go back to work, but there is plenty of free time in the day. Like, you don't want to build something out or like start your own thing of something else, or living off investments is the end goal. Okay. So what, are you just like stacking dividends and stuff like that, or what? That's for side jobs? No, okay. This is your trap. Yeah. Are you doing dividend stocks or what? I just started looking into covered calls and started doing covered calls. I honestly think it's really good. I want to start doing covered calls for the QQQ, just because you can do like zero DTEs and shit like that, and or like kind of like the wheel strat in general. But I want to do it in my IRA because I don't have to load 60 grand into my Robinhood account to have enough cash to secure the stock if I do get assigned. A lot of divs, yeah. Nice. Are you in any of these? These are my dividend stocks. Or besides this bottom one, this is just a weed company that my brother was in. But are you in any of those or no? Coca-Cola just had like earnings today or something like that. Can literally only realistically afford one account a month. Where are you from, Jeremy? Are you from the US? Jesus, one account a month sounds brutal. I mean, realistically, I've had accounts for months. But Malaysia, yeah, okay. Literally, a lot of this, yeah. Took a loss after a 2 week win streak. Damn, AJ. What was it? What was the trade? Take a log somewhere? A lot of my money for the beginning of the year, half the year I put in the S&P 500. Yeah, the exchange is terrible. Yeah, but the like it's a good and bad. You know what I mean? Because if you do get like a $2,000 like one account, it's like okay, you get a $2,000 USD payout or something like that, and that's so good for you. What account do you trade on, Jeremy? What like what prop? What are you guys investing in like uh the tech? Are you just going S&P route, or are you doing cover call or like trading options, like selling options at all, or doing dividends or crypto or anything, or no? I took longs on the hourly candle at 7 a.m. Oh, pre-market. I tried a 50K from Top Step once, a 50K on my for the future until they banned Malaysia. Then my recent one was funding ticks at 25K. Oh, I was gonna recommend my Fun and Futures because I feel like it's like the cheapest all in. Got Nvidia fucking still spilling. I'm looking for a short here, honestly. Yeah, maybe that is your best bet then, funding ticks, if you can only afford one. So if I had to do a giveaway, I can't even, or if you were to win, I'd just buy you something. Like a different one. I'm gonna do GTA stock. AJ's riding high on that GTA stock. Are you sure it's not priced in already, AJ? I'm sure it already is. But I mean, it could just go up in the future regardless. But it is, but it's so messed up because they added Malaysia to the ban list right after I bought my account. So do you just lose your money? Do a giveaway and give it to me? Yeah, right, AJ. I'm gonna rig it just so you can't win. Damn, are we just gonna flush here? Fuck. I wanted to get short. I traded it till the end but couldn't renew. I got you. Got very wiki on the bottom. I want to short this, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see what happens here. Maybe we go take out this high first. And if we look bearish after that, if we look like we're trapping. I might take a stab at this short here in a second. Coverage is so wiki. Well, good thing I didn't get short there yet. Yeah, we're just very wicky here. I think if we get back below this EMA, back below this candle, I think I might give it a stab. Back at the VWAP on the ES. Maybe we get a shot here.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm just gonna. Okay, what am I in at the 42s? Okay, not loving this candle.
Stop filled.
Okay, I got you baited there. Okay. Oh, fuck. Not a fucking lick of profit there, eh? Entered and. This is the problem, then you just feel like shit, like I'm green on the day, but I just lost, so now you feel bad. And we're back to view up. How many minis did you enter? I entered just with one mini across the 20 accounts. So 20 minis or one mini, whatever way you want to look at it. This is Apex and my Fun of Futures. Ugh, fuck. Thought we were like, okay, we had pushed above. It started to come back down. We broke, but we were bouncing off like the 3-minute EMA. We broke through the 1-minute EMA to get back to the downside, and it did not work. We were bear flagging. Like, I wonder if seeing something like this. I'll do it on this. I wonder if seeing something like, here's your flag, and what I think is going to be, it's like, okay, we push up, we trap, we push lower to break through the flag, and then we just get bought back up. Like, is that, this is where everybody's trapped? So after that, I should be looking for longs? I mean, I wouldn't have taken anything, but would that have avoided me from losing there? I'm trying to think in general how often that happens, of like a fake out push down and then we untrap these people. See. I got it yesterday. I mean, I didn't take a trade, but yesterday was actually a terrible example because we did nothing. Let me see. I don't know. Maybe that's something I can look into. Like this. We think we're gonna break out. And then we go, and then we wick and we trap. Teach me Mike's strategy, bro. I don't know if I mean, like, what do you do now, Tom? It's like, there's no such thing as somebody teaching you a strategy, I don't think. Or there is such thing, but I think you're better off just kind of having your own thing, and then ICT. Ooh, yuck. I don't know, you're better off just having your own thing and then just building off of that, and then just adjusting. In fact, I never profit when I trade exactly like on ICT trade. Well, it's just like if anybody could learn the exact strategy, then like if you could learn the exact strategy, then it would be so easy. But the idea is like, all right, you get this from him, and then you start losing, or like you take some trades, maybe you win, and you're like, this didn't work so well, and then you start losing, and then you have to be like, all right, why am I losing so much, or what can I do to prevent this? And then like, you got to put your own twist on things to like add to it. You can't just be like, all right, inverse for value gap. Okay, I get it in every single inverse for value gap, or fucking power of three, or whatever anything is, and then it's like, all right, you gotta do it, and then you'll see afterwards what works and what doesn't, and what you could have done to prevent it. And damn, damn, damn. I just took that short of my cash account. That was fucking easy. How much you up for the day, Jack? I mean, I was up $400 by every account, but now I'm only up like 100 by every account. So it was 8,000. Now it's 2,000. So I was up 400. But I don't know. I just took that short in my cash account. Which wasn't bad. It just looked like we were gonna keep going lower. Well, 5 minute. It looked like we were just wicking in the 5 minute to hit the 15-minute EMA and stuff. I'll just keep going lower now. Yeah, Michael, his ICT name, bro, got the trading blood in him. If that was the case, I should be fucking scamming you guys. I don't hate the idea of the concepts because it's just a way of interpreting the candles going up and down on the screen. I just hate that anybody has, like, I don't know. They should just disband from ICT and call it something else and be like, all right, we want nothing to do with this guy anymore because he's a dumbass. It's like you can if it's anybody else, you're like, oh, I learned from this guy and I trade support and resistance. You're like, oh, okay, I trade flags with this. But it's like if you tell someone you trade this, you're like, oh, I trade this way, and they're like, oh, I trade ICT. It's like, oh, so we can't even have a conversation about trading because there's only one way to trade, and there's only like oh, it's this way. Jesus Christ, we're gonna fucking flush and dump. Like, why? Why couldn't we go down here? Why did we have to go up here and trap these guys? Fucking these guys. We had to stop out all these guys, and then we had to go. Let's just fucking short this now. We're just gonna keep dropping here. I bet. The likelihood that we fucking bullish engulf this whole shit. Should just enter here and have my fucking stops at the 1 minute EMA. But I'll wait. I'll wait. Just in case. Just in case I do get a setup. Rather. Oh man, we're Just gonna fucking push. Oh, that's right at the 15-minute opening range. Oh, fucking touch it to the tick, and then we're gonna go. Don't go breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my heart. Ugh. I want to take this. I'm gonna hope for a push up, but I want to take this. Just so when this fucking pushes down, I kill myself. If we come back up to like these 33s and then start to reject from there again, I'm gonna short. Long? You're crazy. I ain't longing this. No way. Hello, Priv. 1 out of 10. If you came earlier, it would have been like a 7. Now it's a 5 because I lost after I won. Don't go. Don't you dare go. Don't you dare go. Come up here first, please. Please. I can't buy these fucking. Please give me some sort of flag. Give me something. No. No. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. This is why trading sucks. I should just get in here. I really should, because we're gonna push through this. Man, we're just gonna push through. I thought it was telling me not to go. There's the long. I guess you're right. It's a genius. What are you saying, long up here? You would have got stopped. Maybe, depending on where your stop was. Actually, thought Mike cared for once. One day, Priv. When things are back good trading, which who knows if they'll ever be. It was just a one-time freak accident that I made money. Now I'm a fraud. Bouncing perfectly off that pivot point. No, we look for the reversal. Oh, I don't like the reversal. See what happens here. There's something happening in here. Where's Johnny? Johnny had to go fix the motor. He had to fix the motor on his parents' camper. But this is their campsite. They're like done for the winter or whatever, and they gotta pack up. But one of like the motors is broken and won't like pull the rest of the camper back in or whatever. So he's gonna go fix it. They went to go do it on like Sunday morning, but they were going up there like just to wrap up everything and clean up everything. But then I guess they forgot the motor part that they needed to fix it. You still have 5 winning days this week, even if it's 0.01% profit for the day. Are you saying because I made $100? Or are you saying like for the rest of the week I'm gonna win at least a cent a day? Because yesterday I didn't make it. I didn't make any money. I didn't take a trade. So bad. There's your reversal, Kazoda. You were right. God, we just fucking rip higher. Wow. What's your win rate? I have no idea. I don't track my RR or my win rate. I like record every trade I take and stuff, but I don't I don't really pay attention to it. I just try to win every day. Hot take. I don't know my exact win rate. I don't even have the slightest clue. Not the slightest. Ugh. Is this a good inverse fair value gap here? The 5 minute? Is that what people take? Like, okay, we took out the lows. No idea. What would that even be? Oh, I'm on the fucking, on the ES. Join Discord? Oh, Jackie Boolin's on. Alright, give me 2 seconds. I don't know, I kind of think we still go lower here.
Yo.
What's up, Jackie Boolin? How we doing? What's up, Jackie
Huh?
Boolin? I said, how we doing?
Good.
Doing. What's up, Jackie?
No,
What the fuck is happening? Why can I hear myself 10 times?
because I was on your
Okay.
thing.
Okay. Man. Yeah, I wasn't on the Discord. It's just me trading today.
Yeah, where's Johnny?
He had to go up to camp to fix a motor in the trailer because they were putting it away, or they're like,
Uh,
well, they were supposed to do it on like Sunday, but then they got all the way up there, and like as they were pulling in, his dad was like, "Oh, I forgot to bring the piece." So I think they just like cleaned up what they could and stuff, and then
yeah.
they had to go back up today. Kid squeaked out a fantasy win.
Dude, I know. How about the big zero dropping me 40 points?
Who's the big zero?
Jamar Gibbs.
Oh, Jameer Gibbs. Don't even know his fucking
Jameer
name.
Gibbs, sorry. Same
Did he
thing.
drop 40? I saw him hit
Yeah,
like
he did drop 40.
I saw him hit like the 80-yard rush or whatever.
But I only needed him to drop like 15.
Dude, Johnny's team's so chucked, it's comedy.
Dude, it's so bad. His team is so bad.
That's what he was saying. He's like, he was talking about how he like hasn't played a quarterback this year. That like he can't find a quarterback to start, and I have like the 1 and 2 quarterbacks right now,
Yeah.
and because Mahomes is 1 and Dak is 2, and he's like, dude, give me Dak, and I'm like, who's on your team? I literally looked at his entire team. Like, I literally wouldn't give up Dak for anything on this team. It's so bad. I'm like, I don't want Genty and I don't want Nico, and those are your first 2 overall picks. Like if I don't want them, I don't want anybody on the team.
If I'm working, I'm taking the day off to watch him suffer.
Oh, Christ. I'm basically guaranteed for playoffs now, I think. I think I have like a 100% chance. Or 99.
I'm gonna get smacked by Pooch.
Dude, Pooch's team is good.
I know.
It doesn't read that way, but I mean, it doesn't read badly. Like McCaffrey and Brown are a good duo if McCaffrey's healthy, which he just never was.
Yeah.
Now this year he's actually competent. I put up more points than Johnny and my 2 starting fucking running backs I picked off the waivers last week.
Dude, I need a running back so bad.
Dude, I'm so down bad.
Dude,
for
Kamara is I don't even he's just
He's good. He's just on a shit team.
Yeah.
That's the issue. Ooh, do I take this short here? I might try short here.
Order filled.
I'm trying a short. Trying a short. Taking a stab. 45s. If we get all the way down to here, that would be nice, but we'll see.
I've taken maybe 25 sniper shots and I've whiffed every single one of them.
That's good. Are you playing Battlefield?
Yeah. And I just got ripped by a tank. I love this game, dude.
I really do think we flushed down here. I think the 5-minute, we're looking good. Yeah, there we go. Getting that push down right now. At this 15-minute opening range, I don't know if this is a place I should drag my stop to break even at. I feel like that might be too early though. I want to give this a chance to run here. It's a big push down and then a big push. Wait, we'll see what happens. We're just right at that 15-minute opening range. It makes me want to fucking close because we bounced right off of it. Stay in, see what happens. Let this 5-minute candle play out here.
What? Did I have this? Well, I'm working Friday, but I have Saturday off. PC Friday night.
I don't even have any fucking games to play. uh, Come on, flush.
I'm getting absolutely loaded.
Come on, we gotta break these 40s bad. Or these 35s.
Heckas.
Jack the Ripper. 20 G's, holy shit. Did you make 20 G's, Brev? Cause it ain't me. Oh, God. 5-minute candle is ugly if we're gonna do this. Are we really gonna bounce right off this 15-minute opening range? Are we really gonna do it? Please tell me this is a bear flag playing out. Oh, this is gonna come up and fucking swipe VWAP and do something gay. Come on. Fill this little bear flag here. Yeah, Nvidia's ripping up here. We're just gonna grind all the way up to the highs. There we go. Let me give it a couple points just so it can stop me, and then please that be it. Just swipe it and go. Dude, what is that?
Dude, I can't believe Mike Evans came back just to snap his collarbone.
I didn't see it.
He just caught the pass and fell on his shoulder. Dude, I'm getting absolutely
Just flip this
destroyed
candle,
right now.
please. Flip the candle, please. What do I have to manually change my address for every service and shit? The system is terrible. I don't know what you're talking about, Tuckus. Wow, if I would just buy where I sell, I would be a fucking wizard. Look at that. Buy, rip straight up. Buy, or sell. Sell, rip straight up. Sell, rip straight up.
I want to know. I want to know.
Like DMV bank streaming stuff. Oh. USPS. Oh, yeah, because you moved. Yeah, you gotta change it for everything. I got you. Well, this is a wrap.
Stop filled.
I hate this shit so much. I hate it so much.
Sniper to my east. Where, bro? Oh, there he is.
You were up, brother? I know, but this is the thing. On days where I think I can make more, I try to make more, but it's just trading. I fucking quit. I don't know. I'm done. I hate this shit.